Next question number 31. After getting his monthly salary, Mohan purchased furniture 27,869 and a television for 18,425. If after purchasing these two things he is left with only 21% of his monthly salary. Suppose monthly salary are 100%. Out of 100%, how much percent are left? 21%. 21% are left means completed value 79%. In place of 79%, how much value are given? 27,869 and 18,425. These two are adding, it is represents how much percent? 79%. But we required monthly salary. How much percent we need? 100% or not? Okay. First of all, sum of the 27,000 and 18,000. 45,000 or not? Next, 800 plus 400, 1200. 60 plus 20, 80. 9 plus 5, 14. It will be 94 or not? Total it is 46,294 or not? Okay. What the units position denominator? 9. Numerator units position 4. Possibility 6 or not? Means answer should ending with 600 or not? Okay. How many options? 2 options or not? Okay. Next, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 9, 21 plus 4, 25. It is 3 multiple. No or not? Okay. 79 almost how many times? 5 times or 4 times? 5 times. 570 is how much? 350. 5 nines are 45. 350 plus 45, 395. What is the remaining value? 67 or not? Nothing but 679. It is almost 6 times or 8 times? 8 times or not? Then answer 58,600 or not? Which option? First one or not? Next question number 32. A number when divided by 153 leaves a remainder of 81. What would be the remainder if the same number is divided by 17 or not? Okay. A number is divided by which one? 153. We are get the remainder is how much? 81. The same number is divided by which one? 17. How much remainder we are getting or not? Okay. What is the divisor value in first one? 153. What is the second one divisor? 17. 153 is multiple of 17 or not? 153 is multiple of 17 means first time value is exactly divisible by 17 or not? Obviously, what is the first case remainder? 81. 81 is divided by which one? 17. How much remainder we are getting? 13 or not? 17 for the how much? 68. What is the remainder value? 13 or not? What is the dividend meaning? Dividend meaning divisor into quotient plus remainder or not? Dividend value are x. Divisor value 153 into quotient plus remainder or not? What is the remainder in first one? 81. X value or dividend, that is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder or not? Okay. The same number is divided by which one? 17 or 18? 17 means 153 into quotient plus 81. It is divided by which one? 17 or not? Okay. In place of quotient we written 1. 153 into 1, 153. 153 is exactly divisible by 17 or not? Okay. Suppose in place of quotient we written 2. Then 153 into 2. It is exactly divisible by 17 or not? Okay. Then answer is depends on only 81 or 153 into quotient. Only 81. 81 is divided by 17. How much remainder we are getting? 13 or not? Okay. What is the dividend meaning? Divisor into quotient plus remainder or not? This type of question, just we are using the remainder in first one. What is the remainder in first one? 81. It is divided by which one? Second case divisor. What is the second case divisor? 17. 81 is divided by 17. How much remainder we are getting? 1300. Next question number 33. ABC started a business by investing 37,200 and 26,400 and 18,000. If at the end of the year B got 8162 as his share of the annual profit, what is the total annual profit or not? Okay, all the cases 2 zeros are common or not? What are the remaining values? 372, 264, 180 or not? All are in 12 multiples or not? 12 how many times? First one 31, second one 22, third one 15 or not? Then profits are distributed 31 is to 22 is to 55. In the 22 parts already given how much? 8162. But we require total profit. Total profit means total how many parts? 68. We required 68 parts value or not? Okay. 2 and 2. 2 becomes 2 means it is multiplied by either 6 or 1 or not. 2 becomes 2 means it is multiplied by either 6 or 1. 8 is multiplied by 6, we are getting ending with 8. 8 is multiplied by 1 means we are getting ending with 8 or not. How many options are ending with 8? Only one option or not. 2 becomes 2. How many times we are multiplied? 6. 8 becomes 8 into 6 times ending with how much? 8 or not? How many options are ending with 8? Only one or not? Next question number 34. A is thrice as good workman as B and therefore takes 38 days less than the B to finish a piece of work in. How many days can both of them finish it working together or not? First of all, A efficiency compared to B efficiency, how many times? 3 times. Suppose A efficiency are 3 parts, B efficiency are 1 part or not? Efficiency ratio 3 is to 1 means time ratio are 1 is to 3. A time 1 part and B time are 3 parts. How many parts are less? 2 parts less. But days wise, how many days are less? 38 days. Parts wise 2 parts, days wise 38 days. Every 2 parts equal to how many days? 38 days or not? 2 parts are 38 days means what is the 1 part value? 19 days or not? Okay. What is the A efficiency? 3 parts. What is the A time? 19. Efficiency into time, we are get the work or not? The same work will be completed by A and B or only A? A and B. What is the A and B efficiency? 4 or not? Total work by total efficiency, we are get the number of days or not? 3 into 19 how much? 57 by 4 how much? 14. 1 by 4 or not? 48 men can consume 120 kgs of rice in 63 days. In how many days will 36 men can consume 80 kgs of rice or not? First case, how many men are? 48 men. How many days are working? 63 days. Second one, how many days? Means we required second case time or not? But second time, how many persons are working? 36 persons or not? M1 D1 M2 D2, it is equal to work ratio or not? What is the work in first one? 120. What is the work in second one? 80 or not? Consumption, nothing but it is work or not? 40 how many times 120? 3 times. 40 how many times 80? 2 times or not? 12 how many times 48? 4 times. 12 how many times 36? 3 times. Okay. 3 into 3. 9. 9 almost 63. 7 times or not? Then answer 4 into 7 into 2. How much? 56. Next question number 36. Leela bought a machine for 16,800 and spent 3920 on its repair. At what price should he sell the machine to make a profit of 17% or not? What is the cost price? 16,800. But he's spending how many rupees? 3920. Both are adding, it is total cost price or total selling price? Total cost price. What is the total cost price of the article? 16,800 plus 3920. Total it is 20,720 or not? Cost price is 20,720. Again it is sold at a profit of how much percent? 17% or not? Means we are adding the 17% or subtracting the 17%? Adding the 17%. Means selling price value 117% of which value? 20,720 or not? 20,720. Already percentage means 2 zeros in denominator or not? Then answer should end with 2 decimals or only 1? 2 decimals or not? First 7 into 20 how much? 720 is 140. Ending with 0.40 or not? Ending with 0.40. How many options? 2 options. 117 means it is 3 multiple or not? 117 3 multiple. First option 3 multiple. Yes. Third option? No. Then answer first one. 2 4 2 4 2 4. All are in 6 6 6. 18 or not? 18 is divisible by 3 or not? Next question number 37. Along a straight line 1537 meters long and 54 trees are planted at equal distances, one tree being at each end of the line. What is the distance between 2 consecutive trees? Total how many trees are there? 54 trees. The number of gaps are 53. What is the total distance? 1537 by total gaps are only one gap. Total gaps. What is the total number of gaps? 53. Okay. What is the units position? Numerator 7. Denominator units position 3. Ending with 9 or not? How many options are ending with 9? Only 1. Next question number 38. 54 people attended a concert. Tickets for children were sold for 14 rupees each, and tickets for adults were sold 24 rupees each. If 3116 was collected in ticket money, how many children attended the concert or not? Total how many people attended? 54. In that some are children and some are adults. Every children ticket is how much? 14. Every adult value 24. But total collection 3116 or not? Okay. But we required which one? Number of children or not? By using reverse method or not? By using reverse method. If we required children means which one data we are taken? Adults or not? What is the reverse method concept? If we required children, which one data we are taken? Adults. If we required adults means which one data we are taken? Children or not? Okay. What is the each one adult value? 24. All the 54 people are adult. Then we return 54 into 24. In this one, how much value are subtracting? 3116 by what is the each one adult value? 24. What is the each children value? 14 or not? Okay. Compared to 54 into 24, how much value are extra getting? 24 50 is how much? 1200. 24 4 how much? 96. 1296. Compared to 1296, 3116, how much value are less? 180 or not? That 180 is the difference of each children value or not? 24 minus 14, what is the difference? 10 or not? 0 0 cancel. How many children we are getting? 18 or not? This type of questions we are using 3 methods. One is X. First method, X comma 54 minus X. Second one, allegation. Third one, reverse method or not? Okay, I think all are taken first method or not? ఫస్ట్ మెథడే చేస్తుంటారు మొత్తానికి అయితే ఆలోచన వస్తే చేస్తుంటారు లేకపోతే లేదు. సపోజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అడల్ట్స్ మీన్స్ విచ్ వన్ డేటా వీ ఆర్ టేకెన్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, వాట్ ద టోటల్ అమౌంట్ ఇయర్ 11,111,6. వాట్ ద ఈచ్ వన్ చిల్డ్రన్ వాల్యూ 14. దెన్ వి రిటర్న్ 54 into 14 or not? By what is the difference between each children and each adult? 1116 minus 54 into 14 means 756 by 10 or not? What is the difference? 1116 and 756 difference. 16 minus 56 difference are 60. 360 or not? 360 by 10. What is the number of adults? 36. లేదు సార్ మనకు ఆల్రెడీ చిల్డ్రన్ తెలుసు కదా. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 54 ఆల్రెడీ 18 ఆర్ చిల్డ్రన్ మీన్స్ రిమైనింగ్ 36 ఆర్ అడల్ట్స్ అన్నాడు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ హియర్? అడల్ట్స్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆర్ చిల్డ్రన్? చిల్డ్రన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 39. What is the area of the largest circle that can be drawn inside a rectangle with sides 28 centimeters and 36 centimeters respectively? We required which one? Area of the circle or not? What is the circle area formula? Pi r square means 11 multiple or not? How many options are 11 multiple? Second option and also fourth option or not? Second option and fourth option. Okay, two options means then solve the normal method or not? And here area of the which one? Largest circle that can be drawn inside the rectangle or outside the rectangle? Inside the rectangle or not? Okay, means circle will be touches only top and bottom or all the sides? Top and bottom. Okay, what is the breadth of a rectangle? 28. Length of the rectangle 36. Largest side is the length value or not? Smallest side is the breadth value. Then breadth of a rectangle, it is also equal to which one? Diameter of a circle or not? What is the diameter of a circle? 2r. 2r equal to how much value? 28. 2r equal to 28 means what is the radius value? 14. If r value are 14, pi r square value 616 or not? 7 multiple అయి ఉండాలి కదా. 667 multiple? నో, ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి? 616 or not? 660ని 7తో డివైడ్ చేయగలుగుతామా? లేదు కదా. కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది? అదర్ దాన్ ద 660నా 660నా? అదర్ దాన్ ద 660. విచ్ ఆప్షన్? ఫోర్త్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 40. Train A whose length is 284 meters can crosses a 311 meters long platform in how many seconds? 11 seconds. In what time would it be possible for train B to cross the same platform if its speed is 5/6 of the speed of train A or not? Okay, we required second case time or not? We required which one? Second case time. When a train passes a platform means total distance are length of the train length plus platform length or not? But here which train are passes? Second train passes or not? Means total distance will be second train length plus platform length or not? Platform length. Already we know the platform length. What is the platform length are given? 311 meters or not? 311 meters by time value, it is equal to which one? Speed or not? Speed of the second train or first train? Second train. Then speed of the second train, it is equal to length of the second train plus platform length by time. We require time value means definitely we know the speed of the second train and length of the second train or not? How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns or not? If its speed is 5 by 6 of the speed of the train A, already we required which one? Time value or not? Already we required time value, only second train speed is given. Then we required which one again? Length of the second train or not? How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns or not? Length of the second train is unknown, time value also unknown or not? How many unknowns? 2 unknowns. Then answer can't be determined. Next question number 41. Simplifications. 576 into 45 divided by 32 into 108. First we written 576 into 45 by how much value? 32 into 108. Okay. 9 how many times 45? 5 times. 9 how many times 108? 12 times or not? Next 12 how many times 57? 4 times. Again 8 times or 9 times? 8 times. 48 by 32. 16 how many times? 3 times. 16 how many times? 2 times. 3 5s are how much? 15 by 2 means 7.5. Next question number 42. What is the first one? 36 into 36 into 36 by how much value? 72 into 16 by 24. Clear? 12 how many times 36? 3 times. 12 how many times 24? 2 times or not? Next 2 how many times 16? 8 times or not? 36 almost 72. 2 times or not? 2 how many times 8? 4 times or not? 36 into 3 into 4 or not? 36 3 is 108. 108 into 4. 432 or not? 432 or 436? 432. Ending with 2, but 2 options kada. Next question number 43. 3336 divided by 24 into 0.7 square. 3336 divided by which one? 24. First of all 24 ones are how much? 24. What is the remaining value? 93. 24 4s are 96. Means it is 3 times or not? 24 3s are how much? 72. What is the remaining value? Out of 93, 72 complete. What is the remaining value? 21. Nothing but 216 or not? 216 means 24 almost 9 times or not? Next 131 into, it is multiplied by which one? 0.7 square or not? 0.7 square means 0.49 or not? 0.49 we are consider almost half value or not? 139 into half. 139 into half. 69.5 or not? Then answer will be nearby 69.5 or not? Which option? Fifth option or not? (44) Right hand side mixed fraction becomes left hand side, it will be negative or positive? Negative. Right hand side value will become left hand side negative or positive? Negative. First priority integers or fractions? Integers. 7 plus 4 11. 11 minus 5 means it will be 600. Next after that fractions are adding or not? First one is 1 by 8. Second one 3 by 16. Third one minus 15 by 16 or not? What is the LCM value? 16. 8 almost 2 times. 2 plus 3 5. 5 minus 15 minus 10. Minus 10 by 16 means we written minus 5 by 8 or not? Negative fraction minus 5 by 8. Converted to positive we are getting 3 by 8 or not? Negative fraction is minus 5 by 8 means converted to positive we are getting 3 by 8 or not? 8 minus 5 or 8 plus 5? 8 minus 5. What is the remaining value? 3 by 8. How many options are fractions 3 by 8. Only one option or not. Actually 6 minus 5 by 8 or not. 6 minus 5 by 8. Actual integer are how much? 6. What is the fractions value? Minus 5 by 8. 6 minus 5 by 8 means we are getting 43 by 8 or not. 43 by 8. What is the integer value we are getting? 6. What is the fraction value we are getting? Minus 5 by 8 or plus 5 by 8? Minus 5 by 8. 8 into 6, 48. Minus 5, 43 by 8. The answer 53 by 8. Negative fraction converted to positive, we are getting 3 by 8. Next question number 45. What is the 78 square? What is the 78 square value? What is the 78 square value? How much? 6084. What is the 11 square? 121. Okay, just 1 minute. What is the difference between 67 and 89? 67 and 89 difference. 22. What is the half of the 22? 11. Okay, 67 plus 11. 78. 78 plus 11. 89 or not? 89. Okay. Compared to 78, 67 how much value or less? 11 less. Compared to 78, 89 how much value or more? 11 more or not? Okay. This one we written 7.8 square minus 1.1 square or not? 6.7 into 8.9. 6.7 nothing but 7.8 minus 1.1 or not? 8.9 means it is 7.8 plus 1.1 or not? A minus b into a plus b or not? Nothing but a square minus b square or not? Okay. 78 square means we required 7.8 square. What is the 7.8 square value? 60.84. 11 square means 121. But we required 1.1 square. Nothing but 1.21 or not? These two are subtracting or adding? Subtracting. 84 minus 21. 63 or not? 60 minus 1. 59. Means in place of 6.7 into 8.9 we written how much value? 59.63 or not? 59.63. 59.63 minus again how much value you are subtracting? Minus 4.63. What is the remaining value? 55. 55 divided by how much value? 2.5. 55 means 11 multiple or not? How many options are 11 multiple? Only one or not? Square root of 5776. How much? 76. Square root of 361. 19. 76 by 19. 4 or not? 4 into how much value? 32.65 or not? First 4 30s how much? 120. 4 2s are 8. Means it is 128 or not? Again 4 into 65 or not? 4 into 65. Nothing but double, again double or not? What is the 65 double? 130. 130 double? 260. Means we return 2.60 or not? 2.60. Total it is 130.60 or not? నాకు ఫోర్త్ టేబుల్ మాత్రమే వచ్చు. 430s how much? 120. 4 2s how much? 8. Total it is 128 or not? 4 into 0.65. Double, again double or not? Double means 1.3. Again double means 2.6. Both are adding, it is 130.6 or not? Next question number 47. What the right hand side value? 7 power something means left hand side also converted to 7 power something or not. 49 means it is square of 7 or not. 7 power 2 power 8.3 or not. Nothing but 2 into 8.3 or not. 2 into 8.3 means 16.6 plus 11.5. 343 means 7 cube or not. Already power 2.6. Then we return 3 into 2.6 or 3 into 2.6. What is the 3 into 2.6? 7.8. But 343 is the denominator or numerator? Denominator. Then it is subtracting or adding? Subtracting. 16 plus 11, 27. 27 minus 7, 20 or not? Next, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Then answer 20.3. Next question number 48. 4 by 13, 7 by 8, 3 by 7. First 7, 7 get cancelled or not? 4 almost how many times? 2 times or not? Next 13 how many times? 65. 5 times. 0. 4 times or not? 504 by 2 or not? 504 by 2. 2 how many times? 504. 252 or not? Again 3 into 252 or 3 plus 52? 3 into 252. How much? 756. Next question number 49. 68% of which one? 540 plus what percent of 832? It is equal to 966.24 or not? Okay. First, what is the 68% of 540? 68% of 540 or 54% of 680 or not? 54% of which one? 680. What is the 50% value? 340. Again, how much percent we are subtracting? 4%. What is the 1% value? 6.8. 2%? 13.6. 13.6. 4%? 27.2 or not? 27.2. 340 plus 27. 367.2. It is subtracted from which one? 966.24 or not? Okay. What is the difference between 966.24 and 367.2? Ending with 0.04 or not? Next, 66 and 67. Difference are 99 or not? 99. It will be 599.04. 6 minus 7, 9. 5 minus 6, 9. 8 minus 3, 5. 599.04. What percent of 832? It is 599.04. What is the units position? 4. In what percent of which value? 832. It is equal to how much value? 599.04. 2 is multiplied by something. We are getting ending with 4 or not? Means it is multiplied by into 2 times or into 7 or not? How many options are ending with 2 or ending with 7? Ending with 2, how many options? Only one option or not? Answer 72%. 2 becomes 4 means it is multiplied by either 2 or 7. Next question number 50. Double 2, double 4 divided by something, it is equal to 48 into 17. Simply we return something, it is equal to 2244 by 48 into how much value? 17 or not? Okay. 17 how many times numerator? 1 time. Remaining value 54. 54 means 3 times. Again 2 times or not? Okay. Next 132 and 48. 12 how many times 132? 11 times. 12 how many times 48? 4 times or not? 11 by 4. What is the half of the 11? 5.5. Half of the 5.5. 2.75 or not? 11 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆర్ నాట్? 2244 means it is 11 multiple or not? How many options are 11 multiples? Only one option or not? Next question number 51. 13 something 104 624 499 2. 104 to 624 almost 6 times. 624 to 4992 almost 8 times or not? Into 6 into 8 means previous one into 4. Previous one into 2 or not? 13 into 2 how much? 26. Then answer fifth option or not? Fifth option or fourth option? Fifth option. Next. What is the first one difference? 101 or 111? 101. Second one difference? 202. 101 202 means next one difference 303. 47 minus 3 44. Ending with 44. How many options? Only one or not? Obviously next one 404 or not? 3944 minus 404. How much value you are getting? 3540 or not? Answer fourth option or third option? Fourth option. Next 53. 7 to 42 almost how many times? 6 times. 42 to 10 5 times or not? Into 6 into 5 means previous one into 4 or not? Answer 840. Left to right it is division, right to left multiplication or not? Next 54th question. What is the first one difference? 42. Next one 44. Next one 46. Obviously next one 48. 552 plus 48 600 or not? Next 55 question. 30 to 124 almost how many times? 4 times or not? Into 4 plus 4 or not? 14 to 30 almost 2 times or not? Into 2 plus 2 or not? Okay, into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 4 means obviously next one into 8 plus 8 or not? 12 8 is how much? 96 means it will be 960 more or not? Means almost 8 times or 6 times? 8 times. Next previous one into 1 plus 1. 14 minus 1 13. Answer 13 or not? What is the first relation? Into of plus of. Next one into 1 plus 1. Next one into 2 plus 2. Next into 4 plus 4. Next into 8 plus 8. Next question number 56. Study the following graph carefully to answer the given questions. Exports and imports of all the 6 countries in 2021 in $1 million or not? $1 million. Exports are given and imports are given. What is the ratio between the average imports of all the countries together and average exports of all the countries together or not? Average imports of all the countries. Okay, first we are adding the all the imports for all the years or only 1 year? All the years. First import of P, sorry, all the countries. What is the import of P? 125. What is the import of Q? 300. 125 plus 300 425. 425 plus 225 650. 650 plus 200 850. 850 plus 175 1025 not? 1025. 1025 plus 275 1300 means total imports is how much? 1300. Total imports are 1300. Then what is the total exports? 250 plus 325 how much? 575. 575 plus 200 775. 775 plus 175 950 or not? 950 plus 150 1100. 1100 plus 300. 1400 or not. What is the total imports? 1300. Total exports 1400. Average ratio means it is also equal to sum ratio or not. What is the sum ratio? 13 is to 14. What is the answer? Second option. Because denominators are cancelled or not. 1300 by 6. 1400 by 6. Both 6 cancel or not. Next question number 57. What is the ratio between the imports and exports of country U? What is the country U imports value? 275. Exports value 300. 275 and 300 ratio. What is the difference between 275 and 300? 25. 25 how many times numerator? 11 times. Denominator 12 times or not? What is the ratio? 11 is to 12. Next 58 question. If the average exports of all the countries together in 2022 are estimated to be $300 million, by what percentage of the exports of all the countries together can be estimated to be increased from 2021 to 2022? Already exports in 2021 how much? 1400. But 2022 how much value are given? 300. Increase or average? Average are given or not? What is the average value? 300. Average or 300 means some value 1800 or not? What is the average value? 300. Sum is how much? 1800 or not? Because how many countries are there? 6 countries. 6 into 300 how much? 1800. What is the 2021 exports value? 1400. 2022 exports value 1800. How much value are increased? 400. 400 upon which one? 1400. Converted to percent or not? Zeros are cancelled. 4 by 14 into 100. 2 how many times? 2 times. 2 how many times? 7. 2 by 7. Already we know 1 by 7 value or not? 1 by 7 means 14.28% or not? 2 by 7 means double or triple? Double. What is the answer? 28.57. Next question number 59. By approximately by what percent are the imports of country Q more than the exports of country S? What is the country Q imports value? Country Q imports value 300. Country S exports value. Country S exports 175. We required is what percent more or not? How much value or more? 125 upon which one? 175 into 100 or not? 25 how many times? 5 times. 25 how many times? 7 times or not? 5 by 7. Already we know the 1 by 7 value or not? 1 by 7 means 14. 2 by 7%. How many times we need? 5 times. 5 into 14. 70. Then answer must be more than 70 but nearby 70 or not? Which option? Third option or not? 71 something. Next question number 60. If the total imports of country R in 2020 were $90 million, which is 3/5 of the exports in the same year, what was the percentage rise or fall in the exports of the country from 2020 to 2021? Okay. First of all, in 2020, country R imports value is how much? 90. That 90 is 3/5 of the which one? Exports value or not? Means exports is 3/5 of which value? 90 or not? Correct or wrong? Wrong. Total imports is how much? 90. That 90 is 3/5 of the which one? Exports value or not? What is the 3 parts value? 90. What is the 1 part value? 30. Then exports value 150 or not? 90 is 3/5 of the exports or not? Okay, 3 how many times? 30. 30 into 5 how much? 150. Then exports value is how much? 150. In which year? 20 or not? But in 2021 country R exports value 200 or not? 2021 what the exports value of country R? 200. How much value are increased? 50. 50 upon which one? 150. 50 by 150 means it is 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3. What is the 1/3 value? 33.33% increase or decreased? Increased. Which option? Third one. Next question number 61. Continuation division or not? But we required approximate value or exact value? Approximate. First one 21212 divide by how much value? 212 into 21 or not? Okay. First 21 how many times numerator? 10 times. 10 times or 101 times? 101. Again we return 0 not? 1010 by 212. Almost how many times? 5 times or 4 times? 5 times. Next 62. All are adding or subtracting? Adding. 135 plus 236 plus 310 or not? 35 plus 36 71. 71 plus 10 81. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. It is 681. What is the nearby value? 680. Next 63 question. 640 it is divided by which one? 128. Almost 5 times or not? Paper anta ila unte baaguntadi kada. Next question number 64. Data sufficiency. What is the rate of interest percent per annum? Simple interest occurred and an amount of 20,000 in 3 years is 150% of the simple interest occurred on the same amount in 2 years or not? Okay. What is the investment in first one? 20,000. But how many years? 3 years. Second one, investment are same or different? Same. But how many years are invested? 2 years or not? Suppose rate of percent we are consider R%. R% for 3 years means what is the interest value? 3R% or not? 3R%. 3R% of which value? 20,000 or not? It is interest in first case or second case? First case. Next, second case also rate of percent are R%. But how many years? 2 years. Then we return 2R% of which value? 20,000 or not? Okay. It is equal to first case interest is 150% of which one? Second case interest or not? Suppose second case interest are 2 parts. First case interest are 3 parts or not? What is the question here? We required which one? R value or not? 1 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient because R get cancelled or not? We required R value or not? Here R get cancelled or not? 1 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. What is the second statement? Compound interest occurred on an amount of 20,000 in 2 years is 8,800 or not? Okay. What is the compound interest formula? A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T or not? Okay. Principal are given or not? In second statement principal are given or not? Next, interest also given or not? Principal plus interest amount means amount also given or not? Amount is given, principal is given. Time also given or not? Obviously we are get the R value or not? Amount is given, principal is given, time is given. We are get the R value or not? Okay. Then 2 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. Answer is only 2 alone or only 1 alone? Only 2 alone. Which option? Second option or not? ఏజెస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అన్నప్పుడు how many ratios we required? Individual person's ages కావాలంటే definitely we required how many ratios? 2 ratios or only 1 ratio? 2 ratios. In first statement, the ratio between the present age of Sudha and Vanita is 13:12. Second statement, 3 years ago, ages of Sudha and Vanita were in the ratio of 12:11. First statement, present ratio are given. Second statement, 3 years ago ratio are given. Combining the both statements, we are get the Sudha present value. Okay, what is the present ratio? 13:12. 3 years ago, what was the ratio? 12:11. How many parts are increased? 1 part. How many years are each one increased? 3 years. Then every 1 part equal to 3 years. If you are get the 1 part means obviously we are get the Sudha present value and Vanita present value. Then combining the both statements are only one statement. Combining the both statements. Then answer both 1 and together are sufficient to answer the question. Which option? Fifth option or not? Okay.